Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to achieve this purple, silver, I don't know what to call it yet. This was the look that I did on my Valentine's Day. On Valentine's Day, this is the look that I did, and a lot of you guys wanted to see how I did it. So here it is. I have a new background. I don't know how I like it. I don't know. But yeah, if you like the background, let me know. If you don't, let me know. But be nice, please. Be nice. So if you want to achieve this look, then just please keep on watching. So guys, we're gonna go in with our Modern Renaissance palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade Bon Fresco. Honestly, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, we're just gonna be putting that in our above our crease and buffing it out with this Luxie brush. So now we're gonna take a clean blending brush and we're just gonna blend that out. Here, all I'm doing is just packing color on and blending color out. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Love Letter, I believe, and we're gonna be putting that in our outer corner of our eye and blending it towards the middle, but not all the way. And all I'm doing here is just adding more color and blending the color out. So as you can see on the other eye, I cut my inner crease, I guess you can say. And I just took my LA Girl Pro Conceal and this little e.l.f. concealer brush. And I just started carving out my inner half of my, like the corner of my eye. I don't know what that's called, but I guess. Just follow along, guys. So I'm going to take that shade Tempera, I believe it is, and I'm just going to be setting down that concealer. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Vermeer and spraying it with my Mario Badescu, and with this e.l.f. shader brush, I'm going to be packing it on wherever I put that concealer. So I'm going to go back in with that Love Letter shade, and I'm taking an angled brush and I'm just carving out a little bit above where I put the concealer so I can look more like precise, I guess you can say. I don't know. But I'm just blending out more of the color and packing more of the color on. So I'm going back in with Vermeer and placing it back on where I put the concealer. So now I'm going to take the shade Tempera again, and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. I had to do a little praise break there, but yeah. So I'm taking this Ofra highlighter in Beverly Hills, I believe it is, and I'm taking that white shade and putting it in my inner tear duct. So I'm going to be taking that shade Antique Bronze and putting it underneath my lash line. Then I'm going to be taking Love Letter and doing the same thing. Yes, I put on mascara because you've seen me put on mascara a bunch of times, so yeah. I'm not gonna talk through this because you guys seen me do this, so yeah. This is the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys can recreate this look and send it to me, or like tag me in your pictures. Like, nobody ever tags me in their makeup pictures, and I always want people to tag me because I always want to see like the artistry and like how people do their makeup. So if you do recreate this look, then please tag me. I don't think I have anything to say, but I gotta go because church starts at 7 and it's 6:52. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, leave me a comment, like this video, follow me on Instagram. I don't know, do what you need to do, girl. But I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.